If Albert Einstein had never been born, the landscape of modern physics and the broader realms of science and technology would be certainly look different. Although it's like that many of his contributions would eventually have been discovered by others. Einstein's most famous theory of relativity, which includes both the special and general theories, had been founded by others. In this theory, we understand the space, time, and gravity. Let's explore what might have changed in his absence. Delay in relativity and physics. Number 1. Special theory of relativity, 1905. This theory, which introduced the concept that the law of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and that the speed of light within a vacuum is not the same no matter the speed at which an observer travels, might have been delayed. While it's possible that the mathematical groundwork laid by Hendrik and Henry could have led others to similar conclusions, Einstein's unique ability to conceptually and physically interpret these equations might have been unmatched for some time. Number 2. General theory of relativity, 1915. This revolutionary theory, which proposed that gravity is wrapping of space-time by mass and energy, might have seen a significant delay in development. The insight provided by Einstein's equation enabled predictions such as the bending of light by gravity and the expansion of the universe, ideas that were far ahead of their time and might not have been conceived of so quickly without his unique perspective. Impact on World War II and beyond. Einstein himself did not directly invent nuclear weapons, but his equation E is equal to mc squared laid the theoretical foundation for understanding nuclear fissions, which led to the atomic bomb. His letter to President Franklin, which he signed at the urging of physicists who were aware of Nazi Germany's potential for developing nuclear weapons, helped initiate the US project to develop them. Without his involvement, the Manhattan Project might have started later or progressed differently, potentially altering the outcome and timeline of World War II. Quantum mechanics. While Einstein had reservation about quantum theory, God does not play dice. His challenge to the theory actually helped refine and push the boundary of quantum mechanics. His absence might have smoothed the early acceptance of quantum mechanics, but could have delayed rigorous debate that strengthened the framework. After all of these things, let's talk about technological and cultural impact. Technologies that rely on an understanding of relativity, such as GPS system, which require adjustment for time dilation effects described by Einstein theory, might have been developed later or differently. Einstein's status as a cultural icon and his outspoken position on civil rights, fascism, and Zionism influenced public discourse on these issues. His unique persona and distinctive appearance helped popularize and humanize the image of scientists in the popular culture, which might have evolved differently in the term of public engagement with science and intellectual discourse. Although the precise timing of nature of scientific discoveries can be influenced by individual genius, the collaborative and cumulative nature of scientific inquiry suggests that many of Einstein's discoveries would likely have emerged eventually, perhaps at slower pace or from different directions. Einstein's unique contribution lay not only in his scientific genius, but in his ability to question and reinterpret existing theories, paving the way for monumental shifts in our understanding of the universe.